Finally, after many requests for a SteelSeries headset, I got the Arctis 3s. To start, these are on sale right now for $40, which clearly aided in my buying decision, and obviously means I paid for these out of my own pocket. And for the most important specs, we have an impedance of 32 ohms and a frequency response of 20 to 20,000 hertz. Now the only thing is they didn't list this driver size on the box, so we'll have to bust these out and find out. Might have to look that up online, but thank God though, at least it is the best high-end gaming headset according to IGN. Sadly, I don't have a knife on me, so we're gonna have to do this peel by hand. See if I can do this without destroying the box. Now, so far the only other SteelSeries headset I've tried is the Tusk, the earbuds, and those were pretty terrible. We'll see if these leave a better taste in my mouth. Hopefully they do. And there they are, look at that. The white is clean. I'm glad I went with the white color, honestly. That is pretty clean. Yeah, I do like these a lot. So kind of rubberized up top right here, but then a nice springy, bungee, I don't know what kind of headband that's called. It's got a name, but I can't remember. A suspension headband, there we go. Let's go ahead and put them on, try them on. Ooh. I don't know what sound is gonna be like, but I can already tell this is gonna be one of the most comfortable headsets I've ever tried. Wow. Okay, so here's the cord for it. Oh, now this is interesting. Okay, so it is a proprietary, I can't say that word. So it's a proprietary, okay, so it's a proprietary cord that needs to go with it. I don't know what this end is though. It's not micro USB. I have no idea what this cable end right here is. Obviously this is normal aux. It's like a TRRS cable. The only bummer about this, if this cable ever messes up, you're gonna have to find a specific cable to replace it with. You can't just grab any normal aux cable, which kind of sucks. Actually, I may have just lied about that because I just realized there's actually an aux port on the bottom as well. So you can just use a normal aux cable. Well, now I'm incredibly confused. I love the mic. I love the way the mic retracts into it. There's the mic right here. Whoa, sticking up a little high there. Sorry, didn't mean to show off my microphone on it. It's so comfortable though. I don't even have to adjust the headband yet. Grippy force really doesn't seem too tight. Like, I mean, it's definitely a little snug, but it's not too bad. There's zero padding on the inner portions where your ears actually rub the driver walls, but the padding is so thick right here, I don't think it really matters that much to me, honestly. Get the controls, a decent feeling volume wheel right there. Of course, the mic mute. The height of the actual ear pads is not adjustable, so you adjust it all just through this headband right here. And it's already let out almost all the way. See, you do the neck test right there. Oh yeah, and it's not digging into my neck. Sits pretty well. Comfort-wise, I'm pretty dang impressed, but let's go ahead and get it set up. I want to hear how it sounds in-game. Like I said, the comfort is already insane on this headset, but I'm really excited to see what the audio quality is like, because I know this is a very highly rated headset, and throughout this test, we'll be switching from my normal mic to the headset mic so we can get an idea of how that sounds. They're basier than what I'm used to, which is the MH752s, but those are a really neutral headset, but these are a little bassy, a little on the bassy side. Passive noise cancellation seems pretty good. Like, they're not blocking out everything. Like, I can pretty easily still hear my clicks. All in all, not too bad. Hopefully the mic sounds good. I'm very curious to hear what the audio recording of this mic actually sounds like. Normally with the gaming headset that has really high bass, it seems to be really muddy. This right now doesn't seem to be muddy, which is good. It seems the bass is like has a lot of clarity to it. The only thing I will say about comfort is I'm noticing already that the lack of cushioning on the drivers. My ears are touching that, and that it's just a pet peeve of mine, man. That's the one thing I can't stand. I don't understand why companies don't like to add that extra, add just a tiny bit of padding there. Other thing I'm also noticing is that the cable is rubber coated instead of braided, which is kind of weird to me. I'm not used to a rubber coated cable. I frequently only get braided these days, so this is kind of strange. I really don't have any complaints about these for the most part. I mean, they sound way better than I was expecting them to. Like, they sound really freaking good. They're just really clean audio for a bass headset. Like, for a bass-heavy headset like this, it's kind of nuts, man. Now, right off the rip, I'm already noticing some things that I really like and some things that I dislike about this headset. This won't be a full review, which that'll be coming in a few weeks, so make sure you're subbed up for that. But first, starting with some of the things that I like. The comfort is unbelievably good. I did not expect them to be as comfortable as they are. Sound quality is crazy good. Now, the weirdest thing is that they are really bass heavy like a normal gaming headset, but unlike a normal gaming headset, they balanced it really well to where it doesn't get really muddy. Haven't listened to it for music, but for gaming, it's fantastic. Weight-wise, they were definitely on the lighter side, which is not surprising. It was like an all-plastic headset, but they balanced it extremely well. They're not too heavy, they're not too light. They're right in that perfect spot. Then the mic actually sounds pretty good, and I like the way it retracts into the body. The only thing I wish is that whenever you retracted it in, it would turn the mic off automatically. It doesn't do that, which kind of sucks. And then of course the audio controls. I'm never upset about having a gaming headset that has a volume fader on there. Then for dislikes, my #1 pet peeve is when companies don't put an inner padding on those drivers. My ears stick out a bit and that cartilage always rubs and it's always uncomfortable and I hate it. They're also really difficult to adjust. I mean, if you take the headset off, it's fine. You can't adjust it while it's on your head. You have to take it off, have to adjust it a little bit, put it on, see how it feels, take it back off. It kind of gets annoying. And then one that's a little more nitpicky, still annoying, the fact that it's not a braided cable. I know it doesn't sound like a huge issue, but when it drapes over along your shirt, you feel that cable sliding up and down. It makes it a lot better when it's braided because it almost disappears. But all in all, I do like this headset a lot, and I'm really excited for the follow-up review to these. But anyways, guys, thanks for checking out the video. You take it easy. We'll catch you next time. Peace!